What's going on YouTube? This is Ken from Ken's How To's and Reviews. Today I'm going to do a quick video and give something a try. So I saw this on the internet and I saw a few people doing it. It's cleaning baseball pants with a pressure washer. Now I thought that was very interesting. My son plays baseball, and if you have kids who play baseball, you know they love to wreck baseball pants. Just a fresh white pair of baseball pants, just run them into the ground. So I'm going to experiment on these. We're going to retire these, but these are some good baseball stains. I'm sorry about my pressure washer in the background, but I am going to use a kind of conventional, everyday pressure washer from Amazon. This is not an industrial one, because I'm afraid if I did use an industrial one, it would probably just rip these things to shreds. So I'm going to give it a shot. There is no soap on these. There is no detergent. I'm just gonna do kind of a before and after shot of these. Oh, you can already see, look at that. I just briefly sprayed these and you can see where it got rid of. I'm gonna try this side. I don't know if you remembered what these looked like before, but here's the side I barely touched. I just touched right there, and then here's the side that I just did. So we'll stretch these out. We'll do this side. Stretch these out. Wild. So it does work. I think depending on what kind of detergent you would put on these, you could probably get them a little cleaner, but I mean, for a first pass, the way they were, that's phenomenal. So it does work. Just be careful that your pressure washer is not too strong. Still a little staining there, but you could probably treat that with some detergent or stain remover and then give it another pass. But I think overall that's pretty sweet. All right, if you like this video, if you like the content, feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.